Welcome back to our exploration of gadgets. Let's dive deeper into the world of innovative technology and uncover for more exciting devices. Our next gadget is the action camera. ACTIONCAMERA. These rugged and compact cameras are designed to capture high-quality photos and videos in extreme conditions. Whether you're skydiving, surfing, or mountain biking, they're as adventurous as you are. Next up is the fitness tracker. FITNESSTRACKER. These wearable devices monitor your physical activity, track your workouts, and analyze your sleep patterns to help you stay healthy and active. They're as motivating as a personal trainer. Moving along to the Instant Pot. INSTANTPOT. This multifunctional electric pressure cooker revolutionizes mealtime by cooking food faster and more efficiently. From soups and stews to rice and yogurt, it's as versatile as a master chef.